Okay, now that we have seen this application, you might get a question, right? Why should I buy this course, right? So as I said in one of my previous videos, I'll just quickly run through it again. In my point of view, there are just two stages in software development, guys. That is, one is you learn a framework or a language of your own choice, right? Any language, it could be any language, it could be any framework, it could be web development, it could be Python, you could be studying it for machine learning, studying for using in machine learning or something else. And the other is solving problems using what you have learned. These are the two stages. So once you learn something, you're just a beginner. You're just a beginner, right? You read through a lot of documentation that's provided. You read through a lot of community examples. You register in community forums. You learn it however you want. And when the actual thing you need to become a solution provider is to apply whatever you have learned to fix a real world problem, right? So this is what you have learned and this is a problem. You need to learn how to apply whatever you have learned in this particular framework or language or whatever to fix this problem, so that you could become a solutions provider, so that you could become a solutions architect, right? So in between, you need a bridge. The bridge, you can commonly call it as a problem solving bridge. You need that problem solving ability so that you can think of a solution to this problem and then try to implement that solution using whatever you have learned. Now there are a lot of courses on the market on Angular 5 from beginner to advanced, Angular 5 become a ninja, Node ninja, or becoming web development ninja from beginner in just 60 hours, in just 3 hours, stuff like that, right? But I saw that there are no courses wherein they actually take a person who has learned the basics and then teach him how to write applications, how to use those basics and write applications on their own. So I thought maybe I should do a course on this, right? I learned Angular, I learned Ionic, I learned web development entirely on my own, using the documentation, using community moderated examples, using Stack Overflow obviously, and I am now using it to write applications. For example, this desktop messenger application, I could also write some other big applications. So I wanted to show people how you could do the same as well. You could take whatever you have learned so far and then apply it on a real world problem, give a solution to it, become a solution provider. People would start to obviously use your product and then you could make money out of it, right? This is not a get rich quick scheme or anything. I know there are a lot of people teaching internet marketing or whatever, and then they trick you into, and then they teach you like how to become rich by teaching other people how to become rich. Is that even? Yeah, that's what they do in the name of internet marketing courses and all that. Not all of them, but some of them do that. This is not anything like that. This is something wherein you sit, you apply, you focus, you learn something, you use whatever you have learned to fix a real world problem, and then when you come out with a good product, you can obviously make money out of the product, since it solves the problem of a particular group of people or as a whole the society. So I wanted to show how to do this to you guys, and that's the reason why I decided to make this course. So what I'll do is I'll sell this course cheap, so everyone could be able to afford it, right from a college student to a professional who wants to get into this development world. So yeah, that's the reason for selling this course, guys. Link is downstairs. Click on downstairs. Link is in the description below. Sorry guys, link is in the description below. Click on it. It will take you to a site. You can buy it buy the course from there. And as usual, you could always contact me through my email ID or through my website. So yeah, thanks guys.